Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today I have brought the latest news that second PUC examination is cancelled. The Karnataka government has decided to cancel the class 12 exams or second year pre-university college exams. However, the state will go ahead with class 10 exams. The decision to hold class 10 exam has been adopted because the students did not appear for exam in 2020, said State Education Minister Suresh Kumar while addressing media. Considering the COVID 19 pandemic, the SSLC exam pattern will be changed. This time, students will have to appear for an MCQ only exam. Applying the question paper will have only multiple choice type questions, MCQs. For SSLC students, exam will be held in the third week of July. You will be having only two papers, 2 days exams, and a very good thing for you actually. Over 8.75 lakh students will take Karnataka SSLC exam in over 6,000 centers. The number of exam centers have almost doubled from last year to ensure social distancing. Now only one student will sit on each desk. There will be only two exams. Science, Maths, Social Studies will be clubbed as one paper, while languages will be clubbed as the another. For repeaters, students, or those appearing for exam in private mode, written exams will be held when the situation is more conducive, Kumar informed. Karnataka PUC, that is second PUC students, will be given grades instead of marks. The grades will be decided based on their past year performance. We will grade students of class 12 based on the performance in last year's first year pre-university exam. All students had written the class 11th exam, which was a district level exam. If they are children who are unhappy with their grades, we will consider holding exams for them, Suresh Kumar added. Most of the state as well as both central boards like CBSE, CISE, ICSE have cancelled both the 10th and 12th board exams because of this situation of COVID 19. So, this is the time to learn skills like social influencing, digital marketing, online, being YouTuber, okay, online vlogging, blogging. Try to learn some of the skills and don't waste your time in this lockdown period in a lazy manner. So that would be the thing which I would suggest you lead in this lockdown period by learning any new skills. Okay, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get my latest news updates, notifications, and that is it. Thank you very much.